Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm back to this. Let me get the box here. Solar multifunction MP3 radio speaker sold by LCJ. It's a model number L-388. We're going to take a little more look into some of the features, and I'm going to be doing some more testing offline. And so we'll probably have one more show on this particular radio unless there's some specific questions. Okay, right now it's in the MP3 player mode, and I've got my camera on manual focus because it doesn't want to track. So I'm going to bring this closer to the camera so you can see the screen, and then I'm going to try to manual focus it. There we go. So you can see there's a lot of information. There's that, and of course timeout goes off. There's where it is in this particular track, how long the track is. It's almost done. Okay, now it's gone to the next track. It tells you what track number it's on, number 4, and how many tracks there are. There's 44. And then this gives you some information about the particular file. This is the file name, and these are audio files from the YouTube free library. And then we turn the audio up and let you listen to the audio for a while. Okay, I haven't found any way to change that timeout time. This is a spectrum display of the audio. I don't know if it's real or if it's just a make-believe pattern. I don't know. It did go down. I'll turn it back up. Yeah, maybe it is real because it's kind of quiescent right now, and it's kind of. Now it's busy. Yeah. So maybe it is representative of the audio. So that's the MP3 player. I did, let's switch over to the FM radio, which is the third position or the first, depending on where you start. I did do another scan with the antenna extended. Now the antenna is very short. Let me see here. It's 15 inches. So that's the FM antenna, FM radio antenna. Let me zoom out a little bit now that I've showed you that close-up of the display. And let's go and change the focus. Like I say, my camera doesn't seem to want to focus on this radio, so I'm having to do it manually. You can direct tune a frequency. So to answer that question, you can direct tune the frequency by punching on this keypad right here. So if you want 95.5, you would punch in 955 and wait a second, and then it'll take it, tune to that station. So that's cool that it does have direct tune. Although, you know, on FM, you probably do a scan and just whatever it found you'll use. You can go back and delete stations that you don't want. So you can do that. I showed you the MP3 screen. It does not, let me put this down. It does not have any kickstand. And this is, the bottom is a little bit rounded, so it, as you can see, it could be easily tipped over. It has no kickstand, so I would think it would be best to keep it laying down flat like this so it doesn't get knocked over, and if it's close to the edge of a table, it doesn't end up on the floor. So yeah, see how easy it is to fall. So it doesn't have any kickstand. I've got to get myself some more, I don't know where they are. I got to get some more of those kind of generic little plastic acrylic stands. I used them for my cell phones, and I don't know where they got. So I got to get, for radios like this, I needed one of those. Okay, anything else? I think that's about it. Again, you use these buttons here to move to the different stations that it's saved in memory and to the different tracks that you're playing off the TF card, which is on the TF card slot is on the bottom, right there. Okay, the testing I will be doing offline is it's still on and playing, and I started my timer when I first turned this on. It's fully charged, so I'm going to see how long it will, and I'll turn the volume back, how long it'll play with that charge. And then I will do the solar test where I put it in indirect. I'll totally discharge it, which is what will happen when I do that other test. It'll be totally discharged, at least to the point the radio won't come on. And then I will put it in the windowsill, on the windowsill, and so it can get indirect sunlight. And I'll leave it there for 4 hours so that this solar panel can charge the battery, and see how much of a charge I get for being in indirect sunlight for 4 hours. I think that's about it. I'll play the FM just a tiny bit so I don't get into any problems, so you can hear it. I'll put it over by the microphone.
What you call it.
And of course there's somebody talking.
We're here to care for your whole health. And now
so you can play it really, that's like a quarter of the volume. You can play it really loud, and it doesn't seem to distort when you turn it up. Now, there's not much bass in the audio response, which you would expect with this little tiny speaker, but mid-range and above, it's very clear. So again, this is you can get this off of Amazon. Get it off my Amazon store for $27. It comes with this adapter cord so that you can plug your cell phone or maybe a shortwave radio or anything and use this as a amplified speaker. You can use this cord to either charge the internal battery or to use the internal battery to charge a cell phone or some other device. And this is the lanyard that you can install. Luckily, they don't have it permanently installed. And the manual's right here. I think that's about it. If you have any other questions, please let me know and I'll do another show. I will be doing one more show on this radio to give you the results of the battery test and answer any questions there are. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.